Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to let people subscribe to your WordPress site, whether it's a blog, a newsletter, or a growing online community, this quick 2025 guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable and manage subscribers on your site with confidence. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Log In. This is where you'll access your account and site settings. Next, you'll see a few login options. For most people, the easiest way is to select Continue with Google. Choose the Google account connected to your WordPress site and you'll be logged in within seconds. Now that you're in your dashboard, it's time to set up subscriber access. On the left-hand menu, click Users. This section is where you can see everyone who has access to your site, from administrators and editors to authors and subscribers. To allow new subscribers, make sure the Anyone Can Register option is turned on. You'll find this setting by going to Settings, General, and checking the box labeled Membership. This step is crucial. Without it, people won't be able to sign up. Once that's enabled, scroll down to New User Default Role and choose Subscriber from the drop-down menu. This ensures anyone who registers will automatically become a subscriber rather than an editor or contributor. Click Save Changes at the bottom. And that's it. Visitors can now register and subscribe directly through your WordPress site. But what if you want to add someone manually? No problem. Head back to Users. Add New, type in their email address, assign them the role of subscriber, and click Add New User. They'll instantly be added to your subscriber list, and you'll see them appear under the Subscribers tab. With these quick steps, you've opened the door for visitors to join your site, stay updated, and engage with your content. It's one of the simplest ways to grow your audience and keep your community active, all from within your WordPress dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and drop a comment below if there's another feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.